Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. This video, I'm going to educate you on things to look out for in this industry. There is a systemic problem, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. This here is the same tape, same exact tape from a box company with attractive pricing, pretty marketing, and unfortunately, behind the scenes, it's an absolute, I'm not going to say the words. So, buyer beware, unfortunately. The reason for that is because of filthy and worn out video heads and audio heads. And also profit-driven companies that just do not care. They got a sneaky little trick where they put stickers on your media and blame your media. Now, most people don't have the playback equipment to even check against what they've been given back. For the few that do, that come to me and, have one tape that they're just desperate about and they want to save it, I'd pop it in a machine and it plays perfectly. And the reason being because all of the equipment here is meticulously maintained and cleaned, and I will show you in the video who does it next door, Arizona Video Electronics. So please take a moment. You're only doing this once. You've got one copy of your home movies. So educate yourself on the questions to ask in this industry. I'm not here to ram anything down your throat, but please just educate yourself because I'm busy enough as it is, and I just hear so many stories all the time of people really upset with their transfers. And, you've got videos of your kid's birth, Christmases, loved ones that have passed on. And so, hopefully this is a little bit of help for you. Okay, cheers. Okay, this is how videos should look. Okay, nice, clean picture, audio loud and clear, every single one of them. 1997, clear as day. Picture perfect, looking really nice and sharp, every single one of them. I mean, just all perfect, as it should be. This is Arizona Video Electronics, and this is Tim. So if you need any stuff doing, this is the man right here. How many years?
About 35 years.
35 years fixing VCRs, everything. He fixes all my stuff, does a great job. And what is the number one thing with people trying to do right now? Just fixing all the cameras, but what is the problem? People are on eBay, buying junk.
Yeah, buying stuff that doesn't work. When they get it, they find it that it either doesn't work properly, and then a lot of times it'll damage their tapes that they're trying to transfer. And
yeah, and then transfer companies as well, not cleaning their heads, so they've got fuzzy stuff, constant redo. And this stuff to get redone, the new heads, it's not cheap. I mean, but people think, it's just a camera, I'll get it at Goodwill. And there's a lot of companies that are doing that as well. So they're on eBay themselves looking for stuff, and it's been handed down 10 times. And then they're looking for the lowest bidder. And you buy cheap, you buy twice. So anyway, Tim here does all the work, replaces the heads, cleans them, does everything, and literally, steps from me. So anyway, if you do need stuff cleaning or replacing, Tim's the dude. And anyway. All right, Tim, cheers. There we go. And so, it's, that's everything there. So, and also transparency as well. A lot of these companies, people are working out of garages. They don't really have, a presence online per se. You don't see the face of the owner like me. And you're handing over the one copy of your movies to just complete strangers. And it's just heartbreaking. I really feel for some people that have got some really bad stories. All their stuff's been lost. Tapes aren't transferred. Going through me, I mean, if I have bad tape, I will keep trying to recover it. Different equipment sometimes reacts differently to tapes that are giving off, issues, but read the reviews. All of my reviews are on Google. 5.0, perfect score. If you do look on other companies, you start to read some really long reviews with just heartbreaking stories. So please do your homework. This is not a cheap thing to do because you're doing a lot of stuff from 30, 40 years of material in one gulp. And yeah, it's up there on price. But this stuff is not cheap, you know, replacing a head on and a mechanism on one machine. I mean, it can run $400 for one. And when you're running 20 different units, it adds up. You can see why people don't replace them. So yeah, please do your research, homework, make sure the pictures are nice and clear and not gonna be like this crap right here, which drives me nuts. All right, cheers.